Hi guys, what's up? Peter, not your average guy, with a channel announcement. Because, as you know, I have been working on a project that was kind of cancelled, as I said in my previous announcement. And I have an update right now. I'm going to tell you what has been going on. I have been going to Cyprus again. Because after the first time I went there and I had published the footage about Farosha, I got responses from people who said like, this is the first time that I have seen my house in 44 years. So I thought, wow. Another guy told me that he was crying while he was talking with me on Facebook. And I was like, wow, if this means so much to you guys. I mean, I can fly all over Farosha with my drone. So that's what I did. And I made an appointment with a couple of those people who had lived there and own properties there, but haven't seen it in 44 years, because I wanted to show them the footage that I shot and film their responses.
Thank you for coming here. Thank you for having me. My name is Peter.
I told them, this is going to be published on YouTube.
I run a YouTube channel.
Understand what that means, and if you don't want that, then feel free to go and not be filmed and recorded.
I'm recording this with a camera in here because I can say to my audience, it means a lot to people. But I think when people see your reactions, it will be much more clear to them how deep this is. And that's what I want to show to people. So if you are not comfortable with getting filmed, then feel free to leave.
Okay, no problem. Everything was said and done, recorded. I edited all the footage, all the episodes of this series. And in the last days before it would get published, they said, we don't want to get published. We don't want to be in the videos. I said, guys, you gave permission. You cannot do this. Yeah, but they are afraid that they will do something to them, that they end up in a Turkish prison for espionage or something like that. So I told them, guys, I am the one who's taking the risk. I filmed it. You are just watching the footage. Yeah, but you don't know, and the Turks, they are illogical and whatever. So I had a problem, because now what I'm going to do? I did have permission. Am I going to publish it anyway? That's just a little bit ridiculous, because I'm doing it for them, and if they don't want it, that's just crazy. I could leave them all out, just skip that entire session that I showed them the footage and all. But the thing is, then I lose my excuse and the reason why I'm doing this. I'm doing this for those people, to show them, their houses after 44 years. And if they're not in it, then why am I doing this? So I need them in the series. Otherwise, it's just crazy. So another option is to blur them and change their voices. But the problem with that is that you don't see their faces, you don't see their expressions, you don't see... I have an entire episode which is basically just blurred from beginning to end, because that's where they are in.
The information you have here is amazing. I mean,
on this
very
side,
clear, very,
exactly.
extremely
So that's kind of ridiculous too, man. And then there's another option. What I could do is just entirely cancel it and just forget about it. But that's just a pity, I put so much time and effort and money in it. The other option is like, I could maybe retry to do that with people who sign a waiver before they get filmed, and there's no getting back on it. But then I had to travel to Cyprus again, and that was just a little bit too much for me. So what I tried is to find people who would be able to record a session like that without me being present. I know it's a little bit difficult, but I tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things, and the end of the story is that no, it's not gonna work. I'm not gonna get that done. So now what am I gonna do? All right, you know what? I am going to publish the series. I am going to blur out the people. I am going to change their voices. I'm not really happy with that, but I run out of options, and the only other thing is just to do nothing and leave it there, and that's a pity. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is what you're gonna get. You will not see the people. You will not be able to identify them. You are going to watch one episode that's almost from beginning to end blurred out. But so be it. Now you know the story behind it and why it is like that. So be it. First video to come is a promotional video. I think I will publish like 1-2 videos per week, so it will take a while before all of them are published. I don't know what I'm gonna do after this. I do have another project that starts in the first week of October, and then it will take a while before those videos will be able to get published. Maybe this series will end before the next one will come, and there might be a little bit of time in between. That's about what you can expect the coming months, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. See you in the next exciting video, guys.